now we're going to try to get these corks I bought from Walmart. It's Mainstays cork bottle stopper, 6 pieces. It was like, I think, $5.95 for these. They had them in stock, but as you can see, they don't quite go in all the way. So I'm going to take my 80 grit sanding block that I got from O'Reilly Auto Parts. This was like $4.99. I like these because they're soft. And we're going to just sand around the bottom here, or the top, I guess you can say, just enough to get it to fit all the way into our potion bottle. We'll try it just a little bit here. Close, not quite. Just a little more. You don't have to use 80 grit. I mean, you can use a higher grit sandpaper, but 80 is going to be a lot faster. No, still not there yet. Let me blow this off a little bit. There we go. Let's keep doing some more here. Might speed up this video until we're done. It might take a couple minutes. I don't want to take off too much. Oh, nope. We're right there. See? Perfect. Now, to get the top, because in the file picture from the game, this has got a little bit of rounded edge. So I'm going to take the same one and start sanding the top edge off. I want to try to get this to look as close to the video game as possible. I really like the stuff I make to look as close to the original as possible, which is hard to do sometimes, but it's fun doing it. Just go around the top. I actually have a Dremel, but for this purpose, this wood, it's probably balsa wood or some other soft wood. I don't want to take time. It's sanding pretty easy, especially with this 80 grit. It helps to have it in the bottle too. I tried sanding one of these earlier, holding it in my hand. It hurt my hand. So putting it in the bottle and then just going back and forth like this works so much better. It's actually looking really nice. Thinking about giving a couple of these away for people who like, follow, and share on our page on YouTube. I just finished painting the mana bottle. Next one's going to be the health potion. It's getting pretty close. I still think it needs a little more of an edge. Kind of tapered downward in the video game. See how soft this wood is? I think that looks pretty good. Doesn't have to be perfect, just close. You round off these edges right here. And then I'll move to a slightly higher one so it's not so rough. It's 180. Give it a once around. Let me blow this off.